Good day. My name is Steven. Welcome to Steven's Legos. Today we are continuing our build on the Liebherr 13,000 crane, model number 42146, 2,883 pieces. We are on page 210 of book 2 of the build manual, and we're on bag number 5. So we are rapidly approaching. This is all the pieces we have left here. So let's get started. Take a gray piece here, take a gray little stub like that, put that in there, and then we need to take 4 blue connectors. That looks like that starts there, this one goes through, this one pops up on there like this, and then this one goes through. Alright, so then we have black square. Got 2 of those. Where did I put those? There we go, one right there. That one comes in like so. Should have another one. Check the bags. No. Interesting. Okay. Well, we'll continue on and see if we can locate that. All right. Take the next gray piece. In here, I'm going to pause the video and see if I can locate that, because we need to have that to put that on there. Okay, so excuse me while I try to find that black piece. Alrighty, found the black piece. It was underneath the crane itself. Okay, so we put that on here like so. Then we take this one, gets 2 little nubs on the back side, and that comes in like so. And being symmetrical, you need to put the nub on the other side there. Okay, so that's what we got. We'll set this down, get a piece, looks like the gray. We're going to be putting in a little light gray piece right here, and that so fits in like that. Alright, so we'll set that down, and we'll get the next piece. It's a little L-shaped, and we got a spline, a blue spline connector right there, and a length 3 blue connector that goes in like that, and that one gets a gray spacer goes on top of that, and then that sits like so. Alright, we'll set this down, make another sub-assembly, get 2 of the angle pieces, gray, like this, and we get a red connector with the spline. We put them in at the end, like so. And then we take a blue connector with the spline and put that in, like so. And then that pops in, like that. Okay, and then on the end of this,